Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies. Today, the topic of this video is the vapor honing cost, or the cost to vapor hone or to buy a vapor hone. Look, this is an industry dominated by cheap dry blasting equipment. Everybody loves cheap equipment, but then they hate it after a week. It's great for the wallet, but it's horrible to get product through and to not have a bottleneck. So people are always associated or concerned about the cost. We have the most options in the industry with the best warranty and the best trade-up option. Basically, you can start with a small machine, something like a micro hone that starts at 800 bucks. And you can go all the way up to a 4,000 or even the automated machine. We have machines for everyone. And the awesome thing about it is no matter where you start in the business, you can always trade that machine up. That is the biggest key point behind what we do. Also too, when you buy our product, we have a lifetime warranty. So if something breaks, everything else is covered under a warranty. When you have a problem and it breaks, we fix it. And that's for the lifetime of the product. One of the big things, again, is people are associated or are concerned about the cost. Normally you have 800 bucks up to about 15 grand worth of options. And there's plenty of options in between with size and features and benefits basically at that point. There is something for you no matter if you're a hobbyist, small, mid, or large company. You can keep trading up as you go. That is the smartest way to get into this process versus buying the biggest thing and starting from there. If you can do that, that's great. But if you can't, start small and then work your way up. You can break it down and go into the Econoline series or even to some of the polymer cabinets that we have and get fantastic options. But if you have questions on what maybe you can get into or how you can get started, we're always here and happy to help you get into the business. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.